Hi Pisces, I'm Anisha and you can visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for April 2012. Pisces, we start this month with Mercury going direct on the 4th, and thank God for that. Mercury is going to be coming in felicitating conversations, communication, be it in a form of email, phone calls, SMSs, and for a lot of you who could have been waiting for a response to be coming from a client's side or from a personal relationship, there could be a smoother way that you will be able to deal in these partnerships. It's also a great time for a lot of you to be going out and making your key presentations, your key pitches at this point of time, because Sun will give, and Mercury along with it is going to give a lot of clarity, and you're going to be feeling that you're able to present your ideas with far more emphasis that you have been able to earlier. Mercury is going to be touching your third house, and that is a house that covers higher mind, intellect, communication, long distance travels. So a lot of you are going to be not only just more communicative, effectively communicative, but a lot of you are also going to be involved in creative ventures at this point of time. Mars goes direct on the 14th, and Mars is going to be bringing along with it its entire energy that has been lying dormant since about a month and a half. And Mars is going to be touching your 7th house. That's a house of partnerships, and that's a house of collaboration and even marriage. So for a lot of you, it's a great time to be sitting and shaking up things with your business partnerships in the nice way, wherein things could have been lying stalled, or conversations may have gone in a loop, and you wouldn't have known whether you're going left or you're going right, or what is the point of even doing this project. Or it could also be travel related. A lot of you could also be planning a long trip, so there could be a lot of that on the mind as well, and it's going to be exciting because Mars is there direct, and Mars is going to be bringing its entire verve and energy, so you're going to be quite excited about it. On the collaboration and the business partnership, there's just a word of caution. Around the 16th, try not to lose your cool, Pisces. It is a time wherein things could get a bit out of hand, and it could be kind of a volcanic eruption for you. Some of you are just going to let the person have it in front of you. So do watch your speech, and especially ensure that it is you don't say something really nasty, which could get quite difficult to retrieve later on. So better to be quiet than to regret. So be careful on the 16th. It's a great time for a lot of you to be starting a new health and a diet regime, and this trend has been going on for you for a month now, Pisces. The universe is urging you to make good use of this time, and maybe look at an alternate way of exercising. It does not have to be the regular gym. Maybe that is something which is just boring you, so you could look at yoga, Pilates. It's a great time to even try your hand at meditation, so do that. It will be really beneficial for you. The tarot message for you this month, Pisces, is going back to the roots. The universe is asking you to get in touch with the child inside you. Do things that make you happy, whether it is kicking off your shoes and walking on the grass bare feet, whether it is going for a jog with your headphones plugged in, or whether it is just going for a long walk with your dog. Do things that really make you happy, and ensure that this month you're not just patient with others, but very importantly patient with yourself as well. So have a great month. I'll see you again in May, and thank you so much for watching.